Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss a DAX. That is, DAX means data analysis expression. So now today we are going to discuss about the logical functions. So what are the basic logical functions in the DAX? So today we are going to discuss the if function, and function, or function, and what are the substitute of and, what are the substitute of or functions. Those functions we are going to discuss itself. So how we are going to use this function, where we are going to use this function, and when we are going to use this function, these things are very important. See, for this function we are going to use a calculated column. So what is mean by calculated column? Let's understand. So for the particular condition, we create a new column and we put that condition according to the situation, right? According to your business decision, we are going to use that particular condition in that column. Let's suppose we have a condition, we have a practical example. Now on the left hand side, we have, you can see the different tables are here. On the right hand side, sorry, the customer table is there. Again, the products are there. So we will first, our example is, we are talking about only practically, right? So this adventure work is a company, and now they are going to introduce a new product in the market, right? So for that for that product, they need a target audience. So this product is a basically expensive product, and now their target audience are the audience which whom having the salary which is greater than $50,000. So first condition, got this. Now we have in this D customer table, we have annual income here, you can see. So from that annual income, we are going to extract the customer who are having annual income greater than $50,000. So how would we do that? So for that purpose, simply we have to create a new column, right? So how we can create a new column? There are several ways to create a new column. Under the tab tool, you can, table tools, you can see a new column. Again, in a home, if you go in a home, you have a new column over here. Again, simply if you right click over here, you have again option a new column here. So there are several ways, right? So our column is this, annual income. On the basis of annual income, we are going to extract the target customer. So let me create the new column first. See, this is our new column on the right hand side, and above you will be finding the new formula bar is here. So one, and then column is equals to, this is your formula bar. You can write a formula over here, right? So you can see only one formula. Let's understand this, how it works. So one column. So if you press shift and enter, it will again gives you the number of conditions to write, right? So we will go for deep in a further way, but let's try to understand our first condition first. So our first condition is what we need. We need a target audience. So I'll just simply write down here target customer, right? And I'll give you simply equals to. So what is our condition is? What is our condition? If the customer having annual income is greater than $50. Okay, so those will be our customers. So I'll simply put the if condition here, opening bracket. See, so this Power BI formula bar is simply work as Excel. If you know the Excel, you will get to know very easily. If you don't know the Excel, not to worry, you will get it. So if you press if, opening bracket, simply you can find these three tab over here, the logical test, result if true, and result if false. So three conditions, right? So what is our logical test? Our logical test is annual income, right? If you simply type out the annual, see, annual income, you will get the annual income column, D customer annual income. You simply just click on it. What is our condition? Annual income is greater than equals to 50,000, right? Is it right? So just comma here, our condition is, it is satisfied, that right yes, otherwise single quoted. Why I have took this in double quoted because this yes is comes under the string. It's not an integer. If it is integer, I would not give any kind of double quote. Okay, then comma and double quote no, right, and the opening bracket is closed, right. So this is my DAX for our target customer. I use the if condition. I simply enter the press the enter. See, under the target customer you can find the yes yes yes, those customer who are having the annual income is greater than 50,000, right. So we simply check it whether how much count we have got, right, for yes and for no. This is not we are going to do this right now, but for understanding purpose I'm just taking this matrix. Okay, I hope you guys are getting. See, so where is my target customer? See, this column appear here. I just simply put it here, this here, and values under the target customer. We just check the count of this. See, so these 10,344 are our target customer. Okay, this is for only understanding purpose, right. Now next, if we have two condition, so two condition means like like again if we have a one more condition that they having an income, and the income and that particular guy should be a male. So how would we write this? So now we have a two condition. How we can write? We simply have to put here and, right, and always and this opening is it. So by practice you will get this, and now we are saying that gender is male. So after this comma you get gender. See, the gender should be equals to double quoted M, right, and again comma is this. Sorry, not comma, you just have to complete this AND condition, right. Now why I am getting this error over here? Because after the completion of bracket we should put comma, right, and just press the enter. See, so let's check it out. Is there any change in our data? See, you can see we put the two condition over here. We kept a two condition that the person should having the income is greater than 50,000, as well as he should be a male, right. So our target customer become the 5,156, right. So let's consider that now we have the condition that the person should be greater than, the annual income should be greater than $50,000, or he should be a male, either this or that. So that means simply we have two condition. If one of the condition gets satisfied, we should get our target customer. Either he should be a male or either he should be having annual income greater than 50,000. So what we would do, we just simply use OR function over here, because this OR will represent this function, this condition or that condition, right. And we'll simply put enter over here. Let's see if anything changes in our output or not. See, our output got changed, right. In the previous previously we used the AND condition and we had the output, that means yes customer like 5,156, and now we have the target audience is about the 14,314, right. These are the function how it works. You just have to clear your basic concept, right. So now this OR and AND function is finished, but see, if we have a more than two condition, what will happen? If I ask you that, if I give you three condition, I just listen my condition and pause this video and try by yourself that are you really getting these or not, right. So I'm giving you three condition. The person should having the annual income greater than 50,000. He should be married, and the third condition is marital status. The person should be a married. If these three conditions get satisfied, then and then only that particular guy is our target customer. Right? Try it by yourself. Okay. So how you can do that? Let's see over here. We just remove this OR function over here. Okay. And now we use ampersand function, right? This ampersand is a substitute of or and function, right? This is work as a your and function. Let me remove this also. This ampersand here. And third condition is what was our third condition? Marital status. See, should be I'm married. Yes, right? Just press enter. Good to go. See, let's check something changed in our output or not. See, the count got changed. The target customer now 3175. Why? Because we use three condition, and three condition, if this three condition gets true, then and then only we will get our output, that is yes count. That means what was our condition? Annual income should be greater than 50,000, customer should be a male, and the last one was he should be a married. If these three conditions satisfied, that guy would be our customer. So now we got this. Now let's try the next. So I'm not going to give I'm not going to take any new column over here. We are just trying this in this column only. If I say one of the condition, we have three condition, if one of the condition gets satisfied, then we will get output, then we will get our target customer. So consider that if our customer having annual income is greater than 50,000, then he will be our customer. Suppose he is having 40,000 annual income, but he is a male. That also comes under the target customer. If these two conditions are false, but that guy is married, then also that guy would be our target customer. Three conditions. If one of the condition gets satisfied, then output will be there. Otherwise, no. So we have to use a multiple OR, but multiple OR is not possible because OR and AND function always comes with the two condition only. They can handle only two conditions. That's why this ampersand and pipe function helps us. Right? So we just have to use, instead of ampersand, we have to use this double pipe. So double pipe is just below the your backspace. Right? Let's try out. Let's check our count. See, count got increased. Why it is increased? Because use a multiple functions, but either these or that. I hope that you got all these five functions. What we have seen, that if function, and function, or function, and your pipe, and the last one is ampersand, substitute of and or. Right?